Hi everyone, welcome back. I am Utpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to enable voice conversation in Grok. So voice conversation allows you to talk with Grok instead of typing messages, and this make interaction faster and more convenient. So to enable this, first open Grok app on your device. Now click on two horizontal line at top left corner of the screen and then click on settings icon at bottom. Now under voice section, make sure you have enabled all voice related features, like you have selected correct voice for voice conversation. After that, go to dictation and make sure to turn on the toggle right to enable dictation. Once you do this, just go to chat section and you can use this mic icon or speak button, and you can use this speak button to start voice conversation, or if you want to convert your voice into text, then you need to click on this mic icon. Just start speaking whatever you want to type and then click on this tick icon. It will automatically convert your voice into text. So that's how you can perfectly enable voice conversation in Grok and start using it. Apart from that, if you are unable to use voice conversation, then go to settings app and here scroll down to bottom and click on apps. Now within the list of app, find Grok and click on it, and then make sure you have allowed microphone access to Grok app. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.